Hello there, everyone. Cryptolifer here. So, in this live stream, we are just going to discuss what's coming in next in Bitcoin and many more things to discuss about in this live session. So, please make sure like, please make sure you subscribe, please make sure you follow me on my social, so you will get informed. Single minute. Let's start the stream. Just wait for some guys to join it. Okay. So, yesterday I posted, I guess, yesterday onwards, I guess I posted a tweet. Posted a tweet right here, I guess. Okay, here's the tweet that I posted. Okay, it's Bitcoin always follow liquidity, and I'm not ignoring that liquidity is still laying below around $55,000. So that's what happened in Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin has going to grab that liquidity, liquidate that longs, the blind longs, and yes, Bitcoin has liquidated it. And currently, Ethereum has dumped most, as always. As always, Ethereum has dumped most, and we just jump in whole liquidation map. I've not seen anything from morning onwards because I've been a little bit tired, kind of. So that's why I've not seen that anything really the market. But I have to came live. Okay, that's why I've came in. Okay, here is that what I mentioned, that almost 55k, almost 119 millions, 120 30 million dollars of liquidations we have liquidated in last night. And yes, we still have above good liquidity, but still there is no reason to go higher. Okay, so if Bitcoin came up to this level 57,800 to retest it, or 57,200, so if you want to plan a shot, I'm gonna show you how you can plan a shot. Before that, uh give some time to people to join it out. Okay, Solana is kind of trying to save himself from terrific crashes. Solana is trying to get safer, but it's not having it. Okay, so currently I'm looking a short plan in Bitcoin, how that short we can execute it. So here I guess the Bitcoin will come to retest at this area of 57,200, right around this area. So if Bitcoin comes to retest at this area, there is a good short opportunity up to 55k, but I'm not saying you have to book your old profit at 55k. You can book some at this VIX and always be at safer sides. Okay, and your stop loss will be closing above this area. So we are again back in our consolidation phase. So for before that, but if it comes to retest, it's a good short opportunity right now in Solana. Yeah, Solana is really trying to save himself from terrific crash, because if Solana closes below in daily, that we haven't closed in yet since I guess 170 to 175 days. Let me just check in. I've put that Fibonacci levels right here, so let's just, okay, so this is the Solana. Let me just shrink it out for you. So this is the daily time frame. So I guess Solana has been consolidating kind of at around this area. Okay, we have, okay, 192 days. Okay, Solana has consolidated almost 192 days, 180 92 days, I guess. So yeah, Solana is consolidating really good. And if Solana sorry, I've clicked by mistake like that. Okay, so if Solana breaks below this area and fail to reclaim above 129 to $127 area, so obviously Solana will go at least for $111 to $100 range. and I guess Solana will consolidate around that range until we have some good news in market. That's what I've looked in Bitcoin. And let me just grab a clear chart for you here. Okay, so here's a clear chart. Okay, so this chart I've prepared already. I'm not prepared now. You can check my Twitter. I posted this chart. So okay, in this chart I've clearly mentioned that we have liquidity at both area around 66 to around 55. So market makers will decide where to grab liquidity first. So market makers first trapped buyers by this breakout in daily time frame and attract buyers for to buy at retest, but they faked it out and again go right down here. So okay, so market makers may trap right down here sellers of this breakout. Okay, this is a Fibonacci support, and market makers could trap sellers right here, just how they trap buyers at this breakout. So we really need to look at right now how market makers will decide. So already we have grab maximum liquidity. We still have $55,000 of liquidation levels, but still we have good sort of scenarios looking at market. At USDT dominance is pumping, and until we reaches this level in USDT dominance around 6.39 to 6.2025, almost 15, I guess I'm not getting a perfect level to reversal, but around this area, I guess we get a pretty good reversal, or we can go up to more. If we go up to more, so I just got some news right here. Okay, from Bitcoin archive, that Japan to drop a maximum tax rate on Bitcoin crypto from 55 to, okay, so Japan has I think Japan has dropped rates, tax rates on crypto from, I guess Japan have highest tax rate in crypto. They have dropped from 55% to almost 20%. That's a pretty good news. Just in came in from Bitcoin archive, so that's a good news for Bitcoin. I'm not saying that this will not fake out here, but yeah, this looks not gonna fake out right now. Why I'm saying this? Because this has breaked out in a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is a big time frame, so that's why we get a pretty good knowledge of market, pretty good analysis, pretty good technical analysis of market in weekly time frame. So if we have close in weekly time frame, so that's what we have concern right now. Okay, and if we fail to break below this area around 5.74 within days, within a week, and if we close 2 weeks above this area, so I guess price gonna drop a little bit in Bitcoins. Okay, so that's what we have to look right now. Okay, so same we have seen crash in USDT dominance we have seen right now here. Okay, if we look at here, that USDT dominance pump like that, and then it has dumped really hard. So if we see this kind of liquidations in USDT dominance, so obviously Bitcoin will gonna rise, but this has come after ETF news, so that's why this we seen this dumps. Okay, so at that time we have very pretty good news on Bitcoin, so that's why it has been dumped. Okay, and now we don't have any current, what you can say, that current events or news to Bitcoin to drop that much. I'm just going to check the financial calendar. I guess in next week or the after week, I guess. Almost 18. So we're just going to check the events we have on this month. Let's check it later, I guess, or we can check it around here directly. So let me just check it out here, which following events we can see. Okay. This is just we know that Japanese Nikkei 225 index plunges 4.3%. Okay, so that's pretty bad news. Okay, that's another news. And Dow $1,600 crash. Asian Pacific stocks plunges. Okay, Asian stocks has been down. Okay, US stock market loses over $1 trillion. Yeah, we have seen this events pretty much. Zurich Canstol Bank launches crypto trading. Yeah, I know. I'm from Switzerland, so I know that. Centennial Bank launches Bitcoin and Ethereum trading. So yeah, we have pretty pro Bitcoin government, and we don't pay any taxes on Bitcoin on any crypto. Okay, so here are the I think the post. Zurich Canstol Bank. Cryptocurrencies. In addition to traditional securities, you can also trade cryptocurrencies with us. We enable you to buy and sell and Ethereum, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and keep security relevant access data. Issue your orders for cryptocurrencies around the clock via e-banking and ZKB mobile banking app. Okay, yeah, that's good news. Switzerland is always pro Bitcoiner. Okay, 290 billion Zurich Cantonal Bank. I don't have any account on this bank. Zurich Cantonal Bank. Somebody is telling 290 billion. Somebody is telling 300 billion. Don't know which one is correct. This is the news. Cantonal Bank record outflows from Bitcoin ETF. So that was also another concern because we have seen outflows in Bitcoin ETF. Okay, let me just check it how much outflows we have seen. Okay, so yeah, almost $287 million of outflows we have seen yesterday on 12 September. Okay, and yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Like, okay, this is the downtrend. Okay, this is the circle. Okay, here's so you think Bitcoin will go zero eventually? They're saying that Bitcoin will go zero. See you at $120,000. See you at $120,000. Okay, we just predicted the top. Oh my gosh, wow, what a chart. The next bottom is around 20k, and then we will go up to 35k, then okay, we will drop. Nice analysis. Salute for you. These people should ban from Twitter. These people should get banned from Twitter. Okay, somebody's posted a good chart. Okay, to 390 190 chop days for the season. It's another news. Yeah, I guess another news was there. Okay, let me just check it out. Okay, markets. Yeah, that's one. Okay, nothing more. $1 trillion has been wiped out in US market. That's the news. Nothing more interesting. Okay. Okay, so here is a good block, good article I have seen. So okay, so here is a complete reason why Bitcoin has dumped. Okay, there's a good reason. So let me just read it for you. So the S&P 500 had a worst daily candle since 5th August because of weakening economy. Okay, that's the rate cut thing, and that's why S&P is a little bit losing its strength. And second, Dow Jones, Sapoina, Nvidia related to antitrust. Okay, so Nvidia, Sapoina has been reported that they have uh, open their puts in Nvidia, so that's why the fear in the market has been raised. And second, third one is Bitcoin ETF sold on 51,000 Bitcoin, $288 million of outflows we have seen in Bitcoin. Okay, another news, and it seems like Bitcoin is playing the exact playbook like July and August. Dump into the first week, consolidate, and pump into the coming weeks. Okay, yeah, that's what we have looking at. But still, I guess that going later this month, we can see a pump actually, because at 18 we have that Powell speech, Powell discussion around the on rate cuts. Okay, so that's why I am expecting that we have see some at least 50 bps of rate cuts further. Okay. Last week with some really some people. I'm expecting that dominance, USDT dominance will nuke somebody, someone around this area. So I am okay. Let me just erase that shit. Explains. Okay. Describe. I guess the Bitcoin dominance will go like this, break out this area, and suddenly fall down up to. Sorry, yes. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance will go and just break out here and uh in white charts and just gonna dump like this, and then boom, all season. This sounds pretty easy, but there is not gonna be easy that way. So let me see the prediction of what the fuck is this? Here is that. Still, Trump has good chances to win. Okay, still Trump has good chances to win. So I'm gonna bet on this one on Trump. Okay, I'm also gonna bet on Trump. After Biden opted out his name, chances of uh, the probability of Trump's winning has been significantly decreased. So let's just take a break. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for disturbance. Okay, so let's see Bitcoin. So what we are talking about, that USDT dominance. USDT dominance has broken out in a weekly time frame, so that's sort of purest thing. But what I'm thinking currently, that USDT dominance go down up to here and faked out and come down up to 529 level and dump more, so that Bitcoin will go at least up to 70k if this scenarios came into play. Okay, but I'm expecting that USDT dominance is definitely gonna fake it out up here. Why I'm saying that is because it will invite sellers, sorry, my correction. Okay, so it will invite sellers, short sellers in Bitcoin, and suddenly dumped big and trapped whole market. So that's what I'm looking now. What the hell is this? Okay, so that's what I'm looking right now in Bitcoin. And Bitcoin dominance looks like same. And yeah, Bitcoin dominance will be nuke around here at 58, at 59 maybe. So for Bitcoin dominance, I guess it will go like this. Maybe will go and liquidate that high leverage longs in altcoins, meme coins, or all that stuff, and just faked out and dump it. So that's what actually can happen, because it will trap entire market, and it will make entire market bearish, and that's where whales gonna enter it. Okay, that's my thinking, that's my point of view for Bitcoin. Only Bitcoin is dumping in shorter time frame. Solana is dumping. I'm saying Solana at a very important support. If Solana break this, yeah, you can take a short and you can see a quick drop in Solana, and this is also a good opportunity to short Solana, because let me just grab another chart so I can explain you pretty good. Okay, this is the chart. So Solana, how much Solana will dump? So I guess Solana will fill this wick. At least Solana will fill this wick. In 1 hour you can take this trade. Solana could fill this wick that it's created. Okay, mostly mostly altcoins fill their wicks. So yeah, 130 is the good area to short, but if you miss it, you can just short at one around this area, or wait until it go at least for 128. Okay, that's a short plan in Solana. Why I am giving a short trades? Because USDT dominance, there is no money, there's no more money in Bitcoin and altcoins. People are converting their money into dollar, into USDT, book their profits. They people are thinking that, yeah, this market has been done, this is the $70,000, $73,000 at the top of the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will not go anywhere from here. Some are newcomers that are thinking to enter. We see this kind of event. We see miners capitulation, where miners sell their Bitcoins. Miners book their profit because they mine Bitcoin, so they need profit. Okay, so that's why we see miner capitulation event. Then we see more retailers come in, because they knew that Bitcoin has pumped after halving. So that's so to nuke them, market has dumped a little bit. Okay, this dump is nothing in front of how much we pump. Okay, in monthly time frame we are still at good area. Okay, look at here, in monthly time frame we are still managing that, respecting our areas. Let me just, okay, so in monthly time frame we still closing above this area, so that's a good indication for us. Yeah, we have pretty good supports, and this is going to be the most of important support of almost $44,000 to $48,000. This, if we break this, so yeah, I'm gonna accept that I'm wrong. Bear market is gonna start, but still, I don't think so at this current stage. Bitcoin is just fooling you, bringing more hopes and bringing more retail money to invest it and dump it right now. That okay, so that's what I'm thinking about Bitcoin. And if you have any question, you can just ask me out in comments. If you want to see any coin, you can ask me in comments. Okay, I'm gonna try to answer it. Crypto enter. Okay, I long soul. Okay, you have long soul. From which area? Which area you have long soul? Tell me in the chat. Which area you have longed? From which area? 126 or which area? Let me just. Okay. Okay, 130. Okay, 130. Yeah, that's a pretty bad long. That's the retest. You have long that from that area. If that's a pretty bad long, if you get at 129, I suggest you to book some losses because market is not good sentiment. Yeah, I know that everybody is bearish, so market could pump, but you can take that risk because soul is hanging at its support. Or you can if you want to stick with your plan, you don't have to exit it, so you can take a stop loss around 126 closing. If it close below 126 in daily or in time frame, in daily or 12 hours time frame, I suggest you to book your losses. Have to accept your losses. I've been also that stage. I have also I've also booked my losses. Yeah, we look at that trade we have taken in Bitcoin. Sorry. Okay, so this is that trade. Okay, we have taken trade at retest around 58. On which area? I guess. Okay, here I guess. Okay, we just check in daily time frame. Okay, so we have taken a trade at 61,600 at that time, and where everybody is talking about longs, and I'm also thinking that this is going to be a healthy retest, but market makers don't. If everybody's thinking that thing, market makers will do that opposite. I'm not saying that if market is pumping you have to short it, if market is dumping you have to long it. I'm not saying that, but market makers always try do opposite what you think. Okay, so everybody is thinking that this is gonna be a retest and then we will pump up to 65k, but that's what not happened. Okay, and we dumped. Get wronged. I booked my losses at $61,000. That's the end of the game. Okay, there's no point to hold that trade until we reach $57,000. Some of the cakes can still hold this trade up to that area. I'm not gonna hold that. I've loaded some money in my wallet. Loaded some actually good money in my wallets for BTC long. Okay, I've long at 57k. Sorry, I longed at 52k, so that's a pretty good average buying. Yeah, if BTC comes at 48, 40 or below that, I will try to add more Bitcoin. So be ready if it's break in daily time frame. There is a clear short indication for you guys. I know I'm not saying that it can't fake out, but mostly it gonna not fake out. And if fake out, you will lose not more than make. Okay, so please do the thing. Any other coins anyone looking at currently? Please mention me down. I will try to answer your queries. I will try to answer your queries. Not coin. Not coin. Yeah, we have here. Okay, not coin is extremely bearish. I don't trust on these tapping projects because they don't have any narrative. They just have their community. They just basically meme coins with marketing, with advertisement, I guess. So I'm not a big believer on that. I've also participated. My community also participated in docs airdrop, and I have also make a good amount of money with that. And yeah, I'm still investing, not my money, but still I have opened the doors of that things, but still I do not believe more than that. Okay, Notcoin is still good. The first one on this whole what you can whole narrative of tapping. So it has good values, but instead of that, instead of investing in this one, you can just buy a meme coin and get a good return. But still, you have to invest it. So this is the good area to buy some not coins on your spot wallets, not in futures. So you can grab some in your spots. Okay. Any more queries? Any more queries out there? Please don't hesitate to question it. I will try to explain it down. Which are the best AI projects? Okay, AI projects. Yeah, I've thinking about that to make a video on it, but people don't give a good response to it. So let me just open my portfolio. I guess if I'd open it directly, you will get to see my balances. So I'm just gonna hide that. So here is my portfolio. Okay. Here's my clients portfolio that I have driven them. I have written them. This is my clients portfolio, meme coins portfolio. So okay, this is another thing. This is not mine. This is my client's portfolio, and this is my portfolio. I'm not going to reveal my balances. Okay, so my portfolio has I've been investing in crypto since 2017, I guess, investing, and I've started trading around 2019. So I've synced this wallet with my, okay, this is are the some coins. If you are asking about AI coins, AI narratives, I will suggest you first with render. Render is really good on business, so you can add some render. And render is also have some news around Microsoft and Nvidia. So yeah, if Nvidia performs well in future, so render is just definitely going to be boom out. The second one I will suggest you near. I'm holding this two of them in my portfolios. Near is also a good AI narrative token you can look at. And yeah, this is second one in Near is currently at cheaper than render, so you can just make 50-50 in both. So okay, if you have $1,000 to invest in AI tokens, so how you can invest it almost 3-3-3, you can do the 3-3-3 ratio. So you will take 3 coins, 3 AI tokens. You invest first one will be render, second one will be near. You can just invest $300 and $100 for DCA. Keep your $100 for DCA. Okay, you can do just like that. Okay, so here I will, yeah, I think here I will get the categories of AI. Okay, here I have RWs. All one day we will come live stream and we will discuss all about which AI, which meme coins. So we will keep that day specifically. For one day we will completely talk about meme coins. One day we will completely talk about AI tokens. One day we will completely talk about chains, BNB, just chains like BNB, and one day we will talk about RWA. So that's how we will conduct one live stream, but not now. Later when market dumps low. Hope market will not boom. So okay, these are some AI tokens are at really cheap. So Neo is really cheap. You're getting near at really cheap. Okay. So if you get near fetch is again a good tau, again a good token. You can grab it, but I will suggest you will go enter in three tokens only, and 3 tokens would be, I guess, render, near, and theta, or tau or theta or fetch. Three of them you can invest. One you have to invest render. So as per your risk management, you can invest it. Okay, so that's the thing. Let's see what Twitter space is talking about. I'm not getting any trade. Okay, so if Bitcoin close above daily in this, so yeah, Bitcoin will again consolidate in this phase. Okay, you just check liquidation heat map again. Again, let's check in weekly time frame. Yeah, we have still liquidation around $60,000. So I am thinking that how market will move. Okay, well, I'm just getting a probability. Don't just treat like a decision when I say this word probability. Okay, so what I'm thinking about that if we close, yeah, we have closed in this in 4 hour time frame, we had get what confirmation in with two candles that price is not trying to move above this Fibonacci support. Price is not ready to break this resistance that before we have that support. Okay, so price is not ready. So if Bitcoin comes by mistakenly up to this area, this is a good short opportunity for you. And I think 500 we will get. Okay, 500 is still good. Short it down. And yeah, your price target will be around 55,200. Yeah, yesterday I booked my profit on short. Let me just show you right here. Okay, this was short I have taken, and this was also quite risky short because I have entered at very early. You look at here that I entered at almost top of that kind of that wix. I entered at top of that wix. Look at here that 57,900. Almost my entry was 58k, but that what I have placed that trigger that big entries, that filled entries before 2 or 3 points, so it can be beneficial for me. Okay, so that's the short, and that's what I have posted. Okay, look at here that open short trigger price at 58,000, order filled around $2,000. I have that confirmation sort of thing in this one. Okay, so here I have entered. Okay, so let me just show you. Before that we have entered in long also. Okay, so we have taken that long as a scalp, and yeah, I have said that this is not looking good. You have to exit it really quick. So that's how we have exited, and then I have entered in short. Okay, so look at here. Let me just show you. I have posted. Okay, so here that I posted this setup, that Bitcoin short. I'm taking a Bitcoin short at 58. At that time, Bitcoin price was around 57,900, 940 almost. So at that time I have posted this risky, not recommended, because yeah, Bitcoin has still that time Bitcoin has still liquidity above this area. So I've placed that. Okay, I'm taking a short at $58,000, and still Bitcoin at that time goes up to, I guess, 58,200, and then my order get filled right here, and I've closed my shorts around 57,250. Not taking more on this one. It's still because I have doing the scalp trading, and if I hold it up to 55k, so maybe I get good money, but still, instead of making losses, I've made still profit. Okay, so it's always been good that small losses is best than bigger losses. Sorry, small profits are greater than bigger losses. If you make 500, or if your target was around making $2,000 a day, and you made $400 in single trade, instead of stretching it that this trade is going to make me 2,000, instead of thinking that, find four good opportunities, or two or three good opportunities, enter and get back scalp in this market. I guess there's no thing of swing at this areas. I've also trade swing, but at lower areas where we have high levels of liquidity, we go at there. Okay, let's just short a weak coins, RDNT, I guess. RDNT has been at a good channel. Okay, find another weaker one. Weaker neon MNT. MNT is looks like good to short. Let's just see. Hey, there is a good short opportunity at 57. About ENT. Yeah, MNT or DNT. Let's see. Massa or you just check that RSI. So yes, let's just check the whale orders where whale is trying to buy it. We have a massive whale order around 56,200. Also, whales can manipulate that price. So it's dropping. One is dropping. I guess here we have a whale order around this. Yeah, see more. Let's see in bigger time frames. Bigger walls, just like this wall. Okay, we have a wall, spot wall in Binance around $1 million at $58,000 level. Yeah, I think I get first we have this one, $4 million buy orders for spot. And then I guess we have this one, $1 million. Not this. Just see in bigger, more bigger time frame. People are still trying to sell it out. 70,000 sale orders, around $69,000 area. That's pretty high. Almost 65,000 sell orders. Okay, so I think there is no major buy order right this area. Okay, here we have something small on Coinbase, I guess. $55,000 area. Okay, almost $4.5 million of order. 54K we have, very good. Okay, so you see this. I think US market has been just opened and it's open bullish, I guess. We have also drawn the charts of dollar index. Let's just see. Holy, dollar is falling. That's a good sign. Okay, Bitcoin has pumped a little bit. Let's look at each BTC. Each BTC is looking good. I think each BTC will break this area of 0.046. I guess where we will start some recovery in the market. Okay, we have been plunged at this area every single $60,000, $61,000 again. We dropped that. Okay, so until we break this 0.46 area, it's going to be pretty choppy. Link at okay, let me just drag it down. Okay, link at good area to buy at spot. I will suggest you to buy at spot. Link has performed really well because we have seen the reports of Nvidia before, and we have seen Nvidia earnings before, so that's why link has been pumped. We have predicted this one. Okay, this was our premium trade that we have taken earlier. I'm finding SMP. Let's see SMP. What? Okay, SMP at support. So yeah, we will expect some recovery in SPX 500. Okay, SPX is dumping because of weakening economy. So SPX will pump like this around this. SPX would grab this area 563. Okay, so can I take a long in SPX? What do you think, guys? I'm taking a long in SPX 500 in this area with the stop loss of this. Okay, I've just taken long in SPX 500. So BTC is dropping only at 56,300. My god, let's just focus on BTC. By the way, look at this. There's a good selling opportunity at 56,500. But SPX looks good, still looks good, and that's why I've longed SPX 500. That's why I longed it. BTC is just liquidating, I guess. Okay, where it will stop at 295. Still good. Solana is looking good. I guess Bitcoin dominance is falling. Well, yeah, Bitcoin dominance is falling. That's how we predict, man. Look at this. Bitcoin dominance has fallen, and that's why Solana has get a chance to stable it down. But if BTC will fall, yeah, that Solana will also get suffered with that. Siduna, I will be right back. This is intimation. So it's high time now. I think it's time to wind up the stream and just end the stream. So thanks for joining. Thanks for whoever have joined the stream. So that's much for this session. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Peace out. Okay, Bitcoin has dumped, by the way. So I will just give you some insights for Bitcoin. So there's a good opportunity. Short it right here at 500. And then we have dumped. So I've already said to you that I have long SPX 500. Okay, so where is SPX? SPX has gone pretty well. Look at here, so SPX is doing pretty well. So I think I have to book some profit at 44 because I have already captured too much points, I guess. Okay, so yeah, SPX trade is still valid and still going good. Okay, no need to hesitate on SPX 500. Our target would be at this area. I will just short it down a little bit, so it would be pretty safer for me to exit it. So this would be our target on SPX. So it's time to wind up, and thanks for watching. Thanks for giving your support, and that's much for this session. Bye bye. Peace out.